Hello everyone. Today our topic is count and count A. So first of all I will tell you how the functions work. Count, this function only counts the cells containing numbers only. Suppose we have a range of cells in which we have put some text, numbers, symbols and a space. All these things are there in a range. So if we apply count function, it will only count the numbers, the cells that contains numbers only. So as you can see, in this range I have put some text, some numbers, some symbols, and this one is 0, which is also a number, and this is a blank cell. So I will apply count function over here, COUNT, and you can see very simple arguments are there: value 1, value 2, value 3, dot dot dot. That means we have to choose only the range. So here I am selecting the range, closing the bracket and pressing enter. Now you can see that 5 is appearing. That means 5 numbers are there. There are 5 cells in which numbers are there. See this: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in 5 cells we can see numbers. That's why it is showing 5. So this is the function of count. Count function actually counts the cells containing numbers. Now count A. This function counts all the cells containing any content. That means in our range we can see that text and numbers are there and the symbols are also there, and there is a blank cell as well. So it will count only those cells that have something in it. It may be text, it may be number, it may be symbol, it may be a space also. So in count A, arguments are same. We are selecting the range, closing the bracket and hitting enter key. It is showing 11. Now let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. It is not counting the blank cell. Now suppose I am giving in the blank cell a space. I am giving a space. Now you can see the value has turned to 12. That means it is counting the space. Now I am removing the space and pressing enter. Now again the value is being 11. That means it is not being counted. So count A function counts all the cells that containing something in it. So that's all from count and count A. I hope these things are clear to you. Thank you.